English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 39.
Wait a few minutes. I think it will stop raining soon. You look frozen. I'll make you some hot soup. We'll be there by 8. Don't worry. I know. I'll buy Aaron a surfboard for his birthday.
Zoe's going to meet Hannah and Keatle in the park this afternoon by the fountain. Have a rest, and I'll cook a warm stew for us to eat tonight. I'll take the dog for a walk after it stops raining. I promise. Amelia and Jill are going to buy dresses tomorrow to wear to Tom's birthday party. You'll be cold playing football today. It was snowing this morning.
Don't worry. I'll make sure I get there in time for the start of your show. What a great idea. It's such a hot day. I'll have some ice cream too. Make sure you take a coat, warm hat, and a scarf. It'll be cold tonight. It started raining. I'll make sure I finish painting the fence when the weather is better. I'll look after your dog for you while you're on vacation. I'd be pleased to do it.
Hi, Stacey. How are you?
Hello, Carla. I'm fine, but what dreadful weather. All this wind and rain. With such bad weather, the traffic will get very heavy.
It's freezing cold and pouring with rain here too.
My neighbour thinks it'll snow tonight.
Well, I've got the heating on, and I'll make some soup and a beef casserole to eat tonight. Kevin will be delighted. I'll pick him up after his guitar lesson, so he doesn't get soaked waiting for the bus. Hey, why don't you come over to eat this evening too? I'll come and get you on my way to pick up Kevin.
I'd love to, but what time will you be here? I like to watch my favourite TV show at 5.
In that case, I'll pick you up at 5:30. See you later.
Bye, Carla, and thank you.
He'll probably go skiing when it snows. They'll definitely go hiking if it's sunny. It'll certainly be easier to run in this cool weather.
Hamid doubts the storm will be dangerous. Claire thinks it'll snow later on. Sita hopes the rain will soon stop. Joe knows it'll be difficult to surf because of the wind.
I know we'll go to the festival tomorrow, whether it's sunny or not. I'll definitely be at the airport by 7 p.m, so I have enough time to catch the plane. You'll certainly look handsome in your new suit. It's a really nice colour and cut. I doubt you'll win the race because you've not been training very hard. I hope I'll pass my geography exam tomorrow. I'm very nervous about it.
I think I'll fly to Bali for a vacation this summer. I want to go somewhere warm and enjoy the sun.
While we're in California, I'll certainly teach you to surf. It may take a while to get your balance on the board.
I know I'll be in Hawaii for New Year's Eve. I'm going to meet my brother there. I can't wait.
This winter, I'll probably go to the Swiss Alps to do some snowboarding and probably go skiing too.
I have to visit a few more cities for work, but I hope I'll be back home before spring.
End of lesson 39.